Hey guys, what's up? It's none other than your girl T from Cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious Creole sauce with shrimp and okra. To be honest with you, this recipe is to die for, so without further ado, let's get started. Using a large pot, we're going to drizzle in some oil and a little butter. Once everything is melted, we're going to add our diced onions, as well as diced celery, giving it a quick mix once again, and green onions, green and red bell peppers. Now that we have a holy trinity, we're going to combine all of the ingredients. Once the veggies start to cook down just a bit, we're going to add some minced garlic, and a can of diced tomatoes. I know we haven't gotten anywhere with this recipe yet, guys, but look at how delicious this looks already. We're also going to add chicken stock and Worcestershire sauce. And of course, it wouldn't be Creole if we don't add some hot sauce. So add your favorite brand of hot sauce and some dry seasonings. I added, let's see, some cayenne pepper, some salt, ground black pepper, white pepper, as well as, what else? Some chicken bouillon. If I left out anything, you can find the recipe in the description bar. As well as fresh or dried thyme, whatever you have. Give it a quick taste and see where we are, and cover it down. And we're going to move on to slicing our okras. When it comes to preparing the okras, you can get rid of the top and the bottom of the okras because it's not needed in this recipe. To this pot, we're going to add our shrimp and okras. If you don't want your okras to be overcooked, be sure to add it to the very last minute of the cooking process. And to tie this recipe all together, we're going to add some dried parsley flakes, give it a quick mix once again, cover the pot down, allow the sauce to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the sauce begins to thicken, that's it, guys. Just a couple of ingredients and we have ourselves a 5-star recipe, guys. As always, thank you so much for cooking with Tammy. Be sure to like, rate, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know whenever your girl uploads. Also, if you're not following me on Holy Mukbang, that's HOLYMUKBANG, what are you waiting for? Get over there and follow your girl. Anyway, guys, as always, enjoy.